Welcome to Mass General Store. You can listen to that Florida Creek. You can tell. It's an old building. Listen to that Florida Creek. Clothing. Where's backpacks for your hiking needs. And they're good name brand products they carry. Sleeping bags. All your camping needs. $9.99 a pound. Take a shopping basket and get as much or as little as you like. Whoa, candy. They got every kind that you can imagine. Chocolates and gummies and oh my goodness. Jawbreaker sucker. But you gotta put a glove on, of course. Always be polite. Puzzles. Cowtails is our favorite. Then we like the Chico sticks. No, it's the peanut butter bars. And these are called Vanilla Buckeyes. And that's our other favorite. Yes. As a courtesy to all at this time, please use gloves to shop for candy. Yes. Candy. And look, the old-fashioned looking scales. You can even buy a gift card for here. And he was blind, right? Blind.
He's blind from birth.
Blind from birth.
He learned how to play the guitar in the sand.
Get out and enjoy life. Have some fun. Relax. Take a day's drive. Just something. And have some fun. Enjoy it. Because life's too short. And so till next time, just always remember, your next dream, your next adventure is just over the horizon. So see you down the road. Never know. Never know where me and this Savvy's going to be next. See you later.